We are on 3.4 aggregate planning. We are continue working on it. In the previous exercise, we created a forecast to populate the sales row of the planning table. Now we will be using 3 different techniques to create a production plan to populate the production row of the planning table. If you are still in the change SOP transaction, you can re-enter that, or you can just click on MC82, or you can say MC82 like that. Right? So we are on it, and we'll choose active version. Here's the table, and your planning table appears with the sales forecast you created. Your exact number will different as the dates will be different. You will use the navigational arrows such as this to see how things are different like that, right? So if you have done forecasting right, these figures will have to show up. And notice that this is week and this is month. The last week, this month is week 51, 52, 50, so that's included here. And you can navigate that. And now begin by creating a production plan that is synchronous to sales. Note how the production row is populated after selecting the synchronous to sales option. So let's go to option more and edit and create production plan over here, and we have synchronous to sales. So click on that. Then what that does is it will move this target stock level to production level, right? So that's what we did right now here in this case. So the number is different, but it looks like that. So all the things over there moved up to production. Now you will create a different production plan that targets a static stock level of 25 units. So that is, it will make sure that there is a minimum inventory level on hand at the end of each period. Again, note that the resulting calculation of the production row and day supply row, the day supply row shows how many days of demand can be covered by the ending inventory given the month demand. Your number will be different. So let's first go to more and then planning, edit, go to edit, and then production plan, and we are now go to target stock level, right? And there we are going to enter 25 stock level. So we want to always have stock level of 25, and we're going to enter that information for 12 periods. And you can navigate there, and then go there, 25, 25. Click on this navigation button, then you can move to your right. So it's a 12 period, so we have to go up to December 2021, right? Since we have let's see, okay, so you do not necessarily need to have 25 over here because we don't have the demand. So I'm going to stop here, and then I'm going to go to the edit again and production planning and stock level. Okay, so I have entered that, and then it went to stock level when I clicked on that. So 25, 25 went there, and then the resulting things we can see over there. So those are entered in the data. Finally, you will create yet another final production plan by targeting the day's supply of inventory on hand. We want to plan on having 7 days of finished goods inventory on hand all year. So first, what you need to do is you need to enter 7 days, so target days of supply of 7 days for each period that has demand. So we are going to go back to January in my case, and then go here, and target day supply is 7, and I'm going to enter those data. Seven, 7. I think it's good. I accidentally entered 25 here, but that's fine. I'm going to go here and edit production planning and target day supply. Okay, I have just entered that, and it went into the day's supply. Okay, so if you have done that, now we are going to go to characteristic. Let's look at the characteristic of this. And then we have 3 graphs created over here. First one is control graphic for setting up interactive stats, planning object, or all rows, statistics, and this information is given here. Stock level and production on is given, so that's good. Let's also take a look at it again. And let's see what happens. Sales, production level, stock level, target stock level, day supply 7, target 7, right? Stock level 2550, 25, right? Day supply. So those things are given here. And then if you look at this, you can magnify it if you want. You can see the statistics for all of them, right? So January stock level and demand level and inventory level are given over here. So you can see that. You can scroll to your right to see others as well, right? So you see that. Okay, so that's done. So you have done that. It's working very well. So you're going to save everything, and it's saved. So summary 3.4.10, you have now learned 3 basic methods for calculating a production plan. So the objective is to learn how to put all these things into the data. First thing was we were able to move the stock level to the production, and other things we entered manually, and we were able to put it onto the table. Okay, thank you.